Hello everyone, this is the Harbor Bay, Batam, Indonesia. It's very nice and lovely coming here for a short time. So we are waiting for the ferry now. So in a short time, we're on the way back to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It's nice and lovely holidays seeing Batam, Indonesia. The food and the culture here, it's very amazing. Visiting first time here in Batam, Indonesia. I love it. As you can see, this is nice and lovely. Thank you everyone.